Hello and welcome to this video tutorial from Computergaga.com, and in this video we are going to look at how to create a formula to create a conditional ranking. So in Excel there is a rank function so that you can rank the values in the list, but there is not one for a conditional rank. So we're going to use the COUNTIFS function here and get a little bit clever with it. So you can see on my screen that I have some sales figures which we're hoping to rank, but I also have 4 locations and I want to create the ranking for each location. So there's a number 1 for the London location, and number 1 for the Melbourne location, and so on. So we're going to use COUNTIFS, as I say. So let's have a more detailed look at this. Let's zoom in a bit and start off with the formula, and I'll discuss it as we go. So let's type equals COUNTIFS, the multiple conditional counting function. And first of all, I want to do the condition for the location. So if I select the range of cells, if this data is in a table, you can select the table or a named range or whatever it may be. I'm going to select this one precisely, B2 to B17, and then a comma, and the criteria is going to be like that cell I'm on at the moment, that row. So London at the moment, B2, whatever you want to call it. So it must be that location. Next criteria, let me fix that reference. Is to find out how many numbers there are bigger than that one. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to select the range of sales figures, and let's fix that one. And then for the criteria, I want to find out how many are larger than it. So for example, this figure we're testing at the moment, the 438.75 for London, is the second biggest figure in this list for London. So what this part of the COUNTIFS is going to do is find out how many London values in this list are bigger than the one I'm looking at the moment. So this formula is going to calculate that there is one bigger than this one. So I'm then going to add 1 to that value so that it becomes 2, that therefore will be rank 2. If there's one number bigger than this one, this must be the second biggest number. Hopefully this is making sense. Let's get this formula finished. So let me put the greater than sign in as a string. With these functions like COUNTIF, SUMIF, you have to write a criteria into the formula unless you have a cell that has it in. So if I'm writing it in, I'm going to write it in as a string, greater than sign. I'm going to follow that with a ampersand so that I can then reference this value, C2. I'll put a close bracket, then I'm putting +1. Let's put this in there, and I'll try and discuss it a little bit more after. I'll quickly copy that down. Here we go, that's the second biggest number. Let's have a look. I'll zoom out a bit, I hope you can see these numbers. Looking at just the London figures, we can just identify the London ones. We can see that the second biggest number. So this COUNTIFS function is looking through, going right, you've got to be London. Then it's looking through and going, how many numbers are bigger than 438? Well, you're not, you are, you're not. So there's one bigger, +1, you're number 2. You're ranked number 2. That's how it works. Check the location's the same. Check how many numbers are bigger. Add 1 to that. And so I'm hoping this is making sense. It's a little bit difficult to explain. I hope I've done a good enough job there. But this is how we can create a conditional ranking by using the COUNTIFS formula, one of the best functions around. I've got a video on the various things you can do with COUNTIF, such a versatile function. I've also got a video on ranking values with a pivot table. Very easy to do that. So if you need a formula to get it done, or you need a pivot table, they're your 2 main options. I'll put a link in the description of this video to the one on using a pivot table to rank values, as that may be, or it is, a simpler approach. Not necessarily the way you want it, formulas are important, but a simpler approach for sure. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out some of the other videos on our YouTube channel and come and check us out at Computergaga.com.